Good morning, year 5. So today we are going to talk a little bit about problem solving, and we are going to also talk about a strategy that in truth shouldn't be a strategy to use once in a while. This is a strategy you should use all the time. That is a strategy of drawing, okay? We talked in class about it. We even talked about Carl Sagan and imagination and how everything in life needed imagination. Just like science and math. We usually think that science, math, they are in a different part of our life and they have nothing to do with imagination and art and language, which is not true, okay? Art and math are 100% connected. When we draw things, it's easier for us to visualize the problem and organize the problem. And it's what Teacher Ariel always says. Organize. So it's something that you have always to do. There is no point starting the problem asking, should I divide, should I multiply? Hey, teacher, do I have to add? Teacher, do I have to subtract? Stop. The first thing you need to do is read it again, and organize your information and draw the situation that you have. Then you think what you have to do. Okay, so let's have a look at this problem. It was a math challenge that we had. Many of you arrived on the first step and then you stopped. So now we are going to see how we move forward from the step that most of you stopped. So let's read once and then we are going to read again, organizing the information. So together, 2 hot tubs cost $6,094, reais, whatever. If it's better for you to visualize the reais, you can change, there is no problem. The difference between their prices is 2,304 reais. What is the price of the more expensive hot tub? Now, what am I going to do now? I'm going to read it again. But this time, with my marker or my pencil, I am going to organize the information that I have. So, together. Together reminds me of addition. Because I know that I am putting things together. So, together, 2 hot tubs cost $6,094. Instead of drawing 2 hot tubs, I am gonna draw a heart and I will draw a star. I am even gonna label here the star, and I am already gonna use this information. So the star is the more expensive, while the heart is the cheaper. Okay, just to organize my information. So the cheaper tub plus the more expensive tub costs 6,094 reais together. So these 2 tubs together, they cost this. Heart plus star equals 6,904. The difference, the word difference is about subtraction. The difference between their prices is 2,304. I am going to use the same code. So, as I know that the star is the more expensive, the star comes first. So, the more expensive tub minus the cheaper tub gives me 2,304. This is important. 2,304 is not the price of one of the tubs. It is not. Is the difference of prices. So if I take this difference, it means that the prices are the same. And many kids did that. And just so we organize the question before we start. What is the price of the more expensive? So I don't want to know the price of one tub, of any one of them. I want to know the more expensive, okay? So I want to know this guy over here, okay? I will find this one because I know they are related. In both of the sentences that I wrote, they are related. So I will probably find the cheaper one, but I want the more expensive. Keep that in mind, okay? So what many of you did was, you got 6,094 and you took away the difference. Okay, teacher, I am going to take away the difference, which is fine. So 0, 9, 7, 3, because here became a 5. So when you took the difference, you found this price. And many of you stopped here. But the thing is, when you take the difference, you are telling me that both tubs are together, are the same. You are telling me that there is no difference between the tubs. So in truth, you created one more sentence. You took away the difference, you took away, sorry, let me get a better one. You took away the difference. Yes, you took away the difference, but you are still talking about two tubs. So the 3,790 in truth is cheap tub plus cheaper tub because you took away the difference. You are telling me that you are not buying a more expensive one and a cheaper one. You are telling me that you bought two tubs that cost the same. So you transformed this into this, which is perfect because now I can work with this. I can start working here. I can't work here yet because I have two symbols that I don't know, two symbols that I want to find out. Here as well, I have two of them that I don't know. Here I have only one. So I know that two tubs cost this. So I need to find the half, right? Or, as we already know, we can even use the house. Let's use the house just to remember how we use the house. So I know that 2 fits inside 3. So 2 times 1 gives me 2. I have left 1. I put the 7 down. 2 times 8 gives me 16. It's left 1. I put the 9 down. 2 times 9 gives me 18. I have 1 left. I put the 0 down. 2 times 5 gives me 10, which gives me no remainder. So, the moment that I say, 2 tubs that are the same and are the cheaper ones, because I took away the difference, gives me that. The moment that I divide by 2, that I find the half, I know that the cheaper tub costs 1,895. The moment that I can find that, I just need to replace. I just come here or here and I am able to find the star, the most expensive one, because I found the cheaper one. So let me erase here. I think it's easier if you work here maybe? Okay, so 1,895 plus equals 6,994. This really looks like the triangle, right? So 1,895 plus is 6,094. So 6,094 minus 1,085. 1,895 gives me the da-da-da. So we just work with the subtraction. And then I need to regroup, and I find 9. Here is 8. I'm gonna need to regroup again, but this time I'm gonna need to come from here. 9, 1, and 4. So I found that ta-da-da is 4,199. And I'm going to check, right? Because I need to check my answers. Always check your answers. So 1,895 plus 4,199 is supposed to be 6,094. 14, 19, 10, and 6. So I found that the heart, which is the cheap tub, the cheaper one, is 95. And I found that the star, which is the more expensive one, is 4,199 reais. So what is the price of the most expensive tub? 4,199 reais. Of course, I have to give a complete answer. Always that I need to give a complete answer, I just go back to the question. What is the price of the more expensive hot tub? The more expensive hot tub costs 4,199. Okay? That's it, guys. So, go back to Zoom, talk to Teacher Ariel, because today we are going to have some problem solving during class. And don't forget to subscribe. See you!